Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team's called Grunt. And this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. If you guys watched my previous video where we got our super rare Komo-o, Summon Gear, Dragon Claw, we also got this 5-star Magmar. And with that said, hopefully that Fire Blast is enough to defeat this thing. So what? That is Fire Blast? Okay, let's just get on to it. That wasn't supposed to happen. Made a mistake, guys. Why is Fire Blast a short-range attack? I was expecting it to be a blasting forward attack. And why aren't you charging? Oh, I like this, guys. I like this. It's pretty strong. It's pretty strong, guys. I'm on the road. I think we can beat him, guys. But expecting to lose first because I'm on the road and I cannot... Might die from that. Run away! Okay. Going back to our Magmar Fire Blast. I hope this reaches him. Oops, be careful. Whoa, made a mistake, but it's okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yes! Yes, guys. Yes. The technique, the move did the thing, guys. Fire Blast, Magmar, you saved the day. Thank you so much for that 5-star Pokemon. And 2 slots. Finally defeated Super Boss number 31 without changing equipment. You know, we use Outrage Summon Gear because it just gives us a head start. If we use First Impression, it's gonna be hard to charge because it requires like 7 or 8, and Outrage just requires 6. So every time the Sceptile summons his minions, I just, you know, immediately use Outrage. So Fire Blast attacks everyone beside me, Outrage destroys the opponent, and that's it. I'm happy after so many takes, several days, we got to defeat Super Boss number 31. And with that said, on to Super Boss number 32, guys. Blaziken weak to ground type, which is good because our favorite move is Earthquake and Tyrant has Earthquake. I'm excited to see if we can defeat this Super Boss without much problems. And in the meantime, give this video a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys with Super Boss 32 in the next video. Rawr.